Clear a paper jam in the HP ScanJet Pro 4200 S1 scanner series. Press the power button to turn off the scanner. Disconnect the power cable and the USB or Ethernet cable. Open the front cover. Remove any pages from the input tray. Remove any obstructions or debris from the paper path, such as staples or paper clips. Inspect the separation rollers and the pickup rollers inside the document feeder. Remove any visible debris. Close the front cover. Reconnect the power cable and the USB or Ethernet cable. Press the power button to power on the scanner. Reload the input tray and try to scan again.